friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review Drain It and Instant Drain Cleaner. So guys, this is Drain It Instant Drain Cleaner. It's a one-time use pack that I have with me with extra power assist. So basically this is used to unclog drains which are blocked. So today we're going to review it. So let's start off with the packaging of it. Here the Drain It branding right on top. It says Instant Drain Cleaner with extra power one-time use pack. So basically behind the pack there again we have the Drain It branding right here, and Drain Cleaner is written, Instant Drain Cleaner is written there. Instructions for use: remove excess water from the blocked kitchen sink, basin or tub, empty the entire content of the pack into the drain and add a cup of water, leave it there for 30 minutes and then flush well with water. Repeat application for stubborn blocks. Use monthly for trouble-free drains. Also keeps out cockroaches and germs. Avoid physical contact with Drain It. In case of contact, wash immediately. Keep away from children. Come to the net weight of this pack. This is a 50-gram pack, guys, and the MRP is ₹30. So today I bought it to unclog the drains, the wash basin drain. So let's go ahead and do this. We will quickly use a Drain It. I'll show you how to use it. So let's go. This is what is the inside content of the pack of Drain It. Now we have to put this whole packet inside the drain right here. So you can see, I'm just going to pour it right inside. Along this, what I'm going to pour is a cup of water. Just emptying this packet right here and then discarding the packet. Now we are going to pour a glass of water in it. Now we are going to pour a glass of water into it and let it settle and be there for an hour. And then we'll flush it out. So this will help clear out the drain. So we have put in like a glass of water along with that powder, and we'll check it out in half an hour. We'll just need to flush it out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.